Divide 996 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now, this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 9 and it is 19. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 996 divided by 4 is 249. So this much for today and thanks for watching.